Welcome to Innovin Foods. Looking for a quick and crispy tea time snack? Let's make crunchy and spicy Namakpara, a traditional favorite that's super easy and made without an oven. In a mixing bowl, take 1 cup flour, add 1 teaspoon ajwain, half teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well until the texture turns crumbly. Namakpara is also known as Nimki in many parts of India and Bangladesh. Now add 1/3 cup water gradually. And knead into a smooth dough. Use ajwain or carom seeds for digestion and aroma. Rub a little oil and cover. Keep aside for 10 minutes. Divide the dough into 4 equal pieces. Take one, roll it out evenly. The name Namakpara literally means salted strips. It's one of the most popular festive snacks during Holi and Diwali. Don't roll the dough too thick, it affects crispiness. Made with simple pantry ingredients, no preservatives. Make it in bulk and avoid daily deep frying. Brush the edges with water. Ajwain helps in digestive health, a great alternative to packaged chips. Now cut it as shown, small strips or diamond shapes. Heat oil in a pan on medium heat. Fry the pieces in batches. Always fry on medium heat for even color and crunch. Fry for 7 to 8 minutes until golden brown and crisp. You can store it in an airtight jar for over a week, perfect for sudden guests. Transfer to a bowl. Sprinkle half teaspoon red chili powder and half teaspoon chaat masala. Toss well and enjoy. Add masala after frying, not before, it sticks better. Have you tried Namakpara with tea before? Tell us your family's favorite tea time snack. Like, comment and share this crunchy classic with your loved ones. Thanks for watching Innovin Foods. See you with another tasty recipe soon.